Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Recurly Analytics Review My Usage Experience. Recurly Analytics Review My Usage Experience offers subscription management analytics for businesses. It's designed to help companies understand their recurring revenue streams, identify churn patterns, and optimize their subscription models. Key features likely include data visualization dashboards, reporting tools, and potentially integration with existing billing systems. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Recurly Analytics positioning focuses on providing clear, actionable insights into subscription data. The website highlights ease of use and comprehensive reporting as key benefits. They emphasize transparent pricing, though specific details require visiting their site. The service leverages robust data processing to offer insightful visualizations. Availability is likely global, though specific regional availability might need to be checked on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Recurly Analytics Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was fairly straightforward. The onboarding process involved connecting my Recurly account, which took less than 5 minutes. The interface is intuitive and well-designed. I particularly like the ability to create custom dashboards to monitor key metrics like MRR, monthly recurring revenue, and churn rate. The data loaded quickly and the visualizations were clear and easy to interpret. I found the reporting features incredibly helpful in identifying trends and areas for improvement in my subscription business. I had a quick question about a specific report, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a helpful explanation. A standout feature for me was definitely the ability to segment customer data based on different criteria, allowing for more granular analysis. One minor drawback was the somewhat steep learning curve for the advanced segmentation options. It took me a little while to get used to all the customization possibilities. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Recurly Analytics. It's a powerful tool that provides valuable insights into my subscription business, helping me make data-driven decisions. That's my overview of Recurly Analytics Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.